Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, as you can see, I'm gonna share with you this icing decoration that you can do at home. I used ready roll icing, and I used silicone molds to do these lovely shapes in different colors. You can do as many as you want and different shapes, and you can store them and you can use them anytime you want. Very easy to do. You just need the ready to roll icing. I have here purple and pink. This is the white one, that is modeling chocolate, but I'm not going to use the white. So I have here some brushes and also the silicone mold I bought from Amazon. It was a pack of 6, about £7. So what I do, I use this butter. So first thing, I'm gonna put a little bit of that tracks is like a butter, but it's white, so it makes it softer for the icing to work with, and it makes it easier. Starting with the purple here. You can use any color you want, and I'm gonna use the flower silicone mold. Just put a little bit of cornstarch, and just I'm gonna put a little bit of the icing. As I said, any color you want. I'm using here purple and pink. Just push it into the shape of the mold, remove the excess with the knife, and then just press it so you can take the shape of the flower, and then with the brush just remove any excess cornstarch that's left on it, and that's it. You have the beautiful design of the flower, or any design you want. That's it. I just continue using the same method. As you can see, very easy to do. You can do it yourself, and you can put them after they dry. Make sure if you do this, make sure you know they're like really dry in open air. Like leave them until they're really hard solid, then you can put them in an airtight container and you can use them whenever you need to. So the same thing with the pink ice rolling, ready to use icing. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick, so same thing. I'm gonna use here another mold. So again, you just push it to the shape. I just press it so you can take the shape of the design and just press it into place, and then you just remove it. So here I mixed the purple and the pink together. So I mixed them together and it gave me like a lighter purple, and the same thing. So the knife, if it's hard for you to cut with the knife the icing, you can always put the knife on the starch stretch before you use it. Just make sure you push in the icing into the shape properly so you can take the design like really good. Otherwise, if you don't do that, it's not going to take the exact shape. And just remove the excess of the cornstarch with the brush, and you have the design. So you can mix the colors together. As I said, I mixed the purple and the pink that I have leftovers, so I mixed them together to make another color, as you can see. So by mixing the two colors together, they give me like different colors. So there's lighter, darker, and in between. Sorry. So to give it the extra shine, I'm using the pearl here, the edible pearl. I'm also using the edible silver spray. it's like glitter, and a pink one as well. So it depends on the colors that you're using, so you can use it accordingly. So you can leave them as that, but when you do that, it just gives it that extra sparkle and it gives it that extra depth. So you just brush it a little bit on top of the flower or the design. You can see it just gives it that little bit extra shine, and it makes it more beautiful. So I'm gonna continue with all of them until I finish all I have. So I'm gonna leave them there. After that, I'm gonna just leave them on the open air until they dry completely, until like they're rock hard, and then just put them in a container, airtight container, and when you need them you can have them ready to use. And that's the video for today. I hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Thank you.